Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If this video help you, please don't forget to like, comment and share. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix a problem with mobile hotspot in your phone. So if the option of mobile hotspot in your phone is not working, so see how you can fix it easily. So let's go and start here. As you can see here on my phone, so if I try to click on mobile hotspot, you see can't use mobile hotspot. See, let's start again. Then see, can't use mobile hotspot while data it's saved on here. As you can see can use, let's say, can use mobile hotspot while data server is on. So if I try to connect on my mobile hotspot, it's not working. So like that I can't share my connection or my internet with someone else. So see how you can fix it easily. So let's start here. So go to your mobile phone option where there is apps. So click on settings. As you can see, settings. On the settings option, so here you can say connection. So click on connections. On the connection option, after clicking that, you will see where there is data usage. You click on data usage. So there you can see data saver. So you can see data saver is on. It's on here. So click on that. When you click on that, so there you can turn your data saver off. You see, turn on now or off, but it's already on, so turn it off. Yeah, that's good. And go back to the main. So go back to the mobile hotspot now. So let's try and click on that. Well, you see, now you can see the mobile hotspot is working now. So now you can share your connection with anybody, so or in your internet with someone else. So you can see now the option is working now. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, comment and share to see my next video. Thank you very much.